Hi, this is Kelly Watkins. I am a house manager. I started out in housekeeping like over 17 years ago. I started out and I cleaned one house every day, the regular traditional kind of housekeeping. And then I moved up to cleaning for and taking care of high net worth people's estate that is high net worth, like celebrities, just affluent people. And so I take care of their estates, and I have a lot of experience doing that. I can rise to any level of responsibility that's needed. Because I have a lot of experience doing it. Like I can do anything. I can take the dry cleaning, I can do the shopping, I can do the cleaning, I can, take care of dogs, the animals, the cars, the kids, you name it. I do it so you have a distraction-free environment. And so if you would like, give me a call, and I would love to get in touch with you. I am now currently an estate manager or executive housekeeper. That means, I'm at one estate full-time, and it's full-time work. So Monday through Friday. And so, yeah, if you need a distraction-free environment, please don't hesitate to give me a call and get in touch with me, because that's what I do. Okay, thanks.